Alright, we've got another box of 2007-2008 Artifacts Hockey. We'll probably opened up 6 or 7 of these. Only put a couple of them up. Just going to put this one up because we got a new camera. Hopefully it's a little bit better than the last one. This should be our last box of this stuff for this year too. Some other things coming out in the next couple of weeks. Alright, so we'll each do 5 packs and we'll see what we get. You usually have something in every pack, a jersey or something numbered. And I got a autograph out of the first pack, Eric Cole, Carolina Hurricanes. And the parallel of the base set's a Shane Doan 59 out of 100. Got a thick one, probably a decoy. Yeah, it's a decoy. My second one of these I got a Wayne Gretzky Artifacts Legends card. Got one of those before. And a Patrice Bergeron Artifact Stars card. Both of those are numbered $14.99. See what we get for our jerseys now. There's one in here. Joe Thornton, numbered out of $2.99. High numbered, but at least it's a yellow jersey. And another jersey out of $2.99. Pretty high numbered again. It's a blue jersey though, Daryl Sittler on the Maple Leafs. Haven't gotten one of him yet. So hopefully we'll get a stellar duel in here, because the rest of it hasn't been very good, or a patch here. It looks like I've got the patch in my pack, but first we've got the Washington Capitals Rookie Redemption. So I've yet to get a dual patch, so hopefully we've got one in here. Been pretty lucky with these patches though. Got a Malkin one last time. Oh, and it is a dual. It's the first one I've got, not bad for the last box. So 1, 2, 3 colors on one side, 2 on the other, both with stitching. Glenn Murray and Mark Savard out of 35. Could have been better players, but dual patch nonetheless. And it looks like we've got 2 rookies in one pack here. Rob Schremp on the Oilers, just a regular out of $9.99. And a parallel, this is actually the lowest number card I think I've gotten out of this stuff. Numbered 2 out of 10. Tobias Stefan on the Dallas Stars. So we'll see what's in the last pack. I'm not sure what we're missing here. Something extra here. Another rookie. Matthew Roy, numbered to $9.99. So all in all, that was a pretty good box. You can look for, looks like all of this stuff on YYC Sports Cards on eBay.